Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to drive Tesla Model 3 Highland. Start by adjusting seat, mirrors, and steering wheel so you have clear sight lines. Use the key card or phone key to unlock and confirm the car is in park. Explore the touchscreen to find drive modes, climate, and navigation. Learn how regenerative braking feels and set steering and suspension to comfort. Keep both hands near the wheel and stay aware of alerts. In this video, I will show how to drive Tesla Model 3 Highland. Begin by shifting into drive with the right stalk and apply light throttle to move smoothly. Practice one-pedal driving to use regenerative braking for slowing and energy recapture. Use the Energy app to watch consumption and adjust speed or climate to optimize range. Observe blind spot indicators and sound alerts while mastering acceleration and braking nuances for efficient trips. In this video, I will show how to drive Tesla Model 3 Highland. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated on long drives with the O-Ala water bottle that fits cup holders and seals tight, making it ideal for road trips or commuter drives. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to help the channel grow, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to drive Tesla Model 3 Highland. Turn on auto steer and traffic-aware cruise for highway assistance, but remain attentive and keep hands on the wheel. Be prepared to take control at any moment and follow speed limits. Use Navigate on Autopilot for guided lane changes, but confirm each maneuver visually. Practice disengaging and re-engaging assist features to build confidence, and always prioritize safety over convenience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.